All right, so you got your license. Now what do? How do you get access to transaction desk or DocuSign, all the forms, everything that you need? How do you get super access, right? The lock boxes, the blue ones that we use. What else? And MLS. How do you get access to MLS? How do you add a home, right? Holy moly, that's a lot of stuff. All right, so depending on where you're at, you look up your association, right? In Phoenix, it's like Weimar. In Yuma, I think it's Yuma. I don't know. Everybody has like a certain county a certain county association, right? So I think Pinal and Pima and Santa Cruz, they're all within the Tucson Association of Realtors. Something like that, right? Anyways, for Tucson specifically, this is how you would do it, and you would do it the same way in your area. You would Association of Realtors, and something will come up, right? Or just ask your mentor. So here we're going to go through Tucson Association of Realtors. So let's go to the website. This is their address. You can just go there in person and talk to the ladies or the gentlemen there. They're very helpful. That was their phone number right there. You can just Google it. And I think you do need to go in person because you need to show your ID and stuff. So let's say join as a look at that. Join as a new agent. Boom. All right. I haven't done this in years, so let's see what this looks like. You did that already. You're not an appraiser. So you need to email the what is it? So you need to contact the front desk. This is obviously your first association. Complete the online application here. So you click on that and you do that. And there's the steps right there automatically. You got a NERDS number. The NERDS, National Association of Realtors, I believe they give you that, the Tucson Association. So whatever your primary is, so it's national and then it's your local, right? So the NERDS is the national, and then the MLS number is this one here. And they'll give that to you. You just go through these, questions. You just go through this stuff. If you have questions, just reach out to me. Yeah, it's pretty easy. So you just do all this stuff, and there you go. Click here to get started. So that's how you do it. It's really that easy. So let me see if there's something that like a potential snag. Oh, so here's the transaction desk and forms. That's about it. So here's your MLS login. Once payment has been processed, it's kind of expensive. It's almost like $1,000 or something, but oh well, you make it in the first sale. This is your NERDS number. And then you need to upload that, which you already have. I think there's a class that you need to take. So there'll be a class that you need to take immediately. And oh, there it is. Yeah, so they're both mandatory. So you need to do that within the first week or something. They'll give you access, but at the same time you need to complete it. It's classes, orientation. So mandatory orientation, you get a little pin, realtor pin. And then the code of ethics is just, code of ethics that somebody needs to sit down with you and go over. It's like a day. There you go. Boom. Less than 4 minutes. Go get it, guys.